Installing your new GODD environment. We will have sent you the GODD environment on a CD. In order to install it, first insert the CD into your CD player. Windows will then present you with a pop-up that looks very much like this. Down near the bottom there'll be an option which says Open Folder to view files. Select that option with the left mouse button and then click OK. Windows will then open the Explorer with your CD selected. Now I'm going to make this window a little bit smaller and move it out of the way so I can look at my C drive. In order to install the new GODD environment, you're just going to copy and paste it on your hard drive. It'll either be your C drive, D, E, F, whatever drive you select. Many people only have a C drive. Some have multiple partitions. In my case, I'm looking at the GODD environment on the C drive. Now, I need to rename my old GODD folder in order to move it out of the way. You want to move your old GODD environment out of the way before you bring in the new GODD environment. So I select with my left mouse button my old GODD environment, right click, and down at the bottom there's an option that says Rename. I click that, then I'm going to give this a name, Old. I just put a dash old at the end of it, press enter, and there is my GODD old environment. To bring in the new environment, I just select the new GODD environment on my CD, right click, and I'll move that up so you can see the option. Here I'm right clicking, and then way down near the bottom it says Copy. I click on Copy. Now I go over to the other Windows Explorer that I have open and I select Local Disk C. Yours may be called something else, but it's the whatever drive has your GODD environment, now called GODD old. Right click, and down near the bottom it says Paste. So I'm going to click Paste. When I click Paste, it starts to copy. It's going to take several minutes to copy. It took a few minutes, in my case about 10 minutes, for the GODD environment to be copied from the CD onto my hard drive. You can see down here is the new environment, and right below that is the old environment. If you have any orbs, which you should, in your old environment, those need to be brought into the new GODD environment. That's why we wanted to make sure that you saved a copy of your old GODD environment. So here I have a few orbs. I just highlight those, select Copy, and then Paste to paste them in my new GODD environment. And there's my two orbs. They've been successfully copied into my new GODD environment. Once you are satisfied, once you demonstrate to yourself that you have in fact moved all of your orbs and their INI files, you see there's an orb, there's the INI, there's an orb, there's the INI, After you have moved those into the new GODD environment, you can delete the old GODD environment completely. If you want to be a little bit safe, make a CD backup. Burn a CD or save the information on an external hard drive. Do whatever you normally do for backup purposes. After you've made a backup, whether it be on CD, whether it be on thumb drive, whether it be on an external hard drive, however you choose to back up the GODD environment, then you can delete the old environment. So before deleting this environment, I copied my old orbs into the new GODD environment, and I made a backup either onto CD, thumb drive, or an external hard drive. Well, you now have your new GODD environment with many new features. We'll go over those in a different video. Good luck, good blue lining, and get in touch when you have a question or you have an orb that you want to show off. We look forward to seeing your new orbs. Take care.